Fletcher, what do you got? What do you got? It's a bunny rabbit? You got the bunny rabbit? Whoa, big boy.
Welcome to Ultimate Rewards from Chase. No blackouts, no restrictions on airfare and hotels. No limits to what you can get with Ultimate Rewards.
What are you doing? Oh yeah.
Chase credit, debit, and business cards. Chase what matters.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Fletchy? What are you doing there? Whoa, you gonna get Mama's feet? Oh no, oh no. Oh no. Oh, big bad puppy, huh? Say hi to Grandma and Grandpa. Hi, Grandma and Grandpa. Hey, Fudgy. Say hi. Hi.